In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons to your website in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your page or simply wanting to give your visitors a more pleasant browsing experience, adding icons can be a fantastic touch. Many of us appreciate a good icon set that seamlessly fits our brand. So let's dive into this process step by step to make sure you can do it with ease. First, you'll want to open up Squarespace and make sure you're logged into your account. Head over to Squarespace's homepage where you'll see a range of options customized for managing your site. Now, click on Website from the main dashboard. This is your entry point to all the customizations and tweaks you can make to your site. Once you're on the website settings page, look for the EDT button. Clicking on it will take you into the site's back-end customization area. This is where the magic happens, where you can personalize the layout, change fonts, colors, and importantly for us, add those neat icons. Next, you'll see an option to edit site header. Click on that. The site header is crucial as it's often the first thing visitors notice when they land on your site. Having a well-designed header can make a positive first impression, so it's important to pay attention to these details. Within the site header section, you'll find the option for your site title and logo. Click on this area to proceed. Oh, and remember not to rush through these steps. Taking your time means you won't miss any key customization options that could enhance the visual appeal of your site. Now you'll want to select Edit Site Title and Logo. Here is where you can really start to personalize things by adding an icon that complements your site's design. After clicking, look for the Add Logo button and give it a click as well. With that done, you'll need to upload your icon or logo file by clicking on Upload File. Browse through your files and find the icon you've prepared. It's often best to have your logos or icons in a high quality format such as SVG or PNG to ensure they appear crisp and professional on your site. Now that your icon is uploaded, you will have the option to adjust the logo height. This feature is incredibly useful because you can ensure that your icon fits perfectly within your header, neither too large nor too small. Following these steps will help you smoothly integrate icons into your Squarespace website and let your personality and brand shine through to your audience. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Good luck with your website customization.